Hello YouTube, Jeremy Martin 72 here, and I will be doing a review on Google Cloud Titan Security Key Set. I paid $49 for this set several months ago, and it's worth every single penny I paid for it. Let me get a nice little zoom in on that front right there. Alright, and when I got it in the mail, it had just a white sticker here, and when I pulled it off, it has tamper-proof silver paint on it. And there's the original sticker. You can see it saying void through there. And contents are USB NFC Titan security key. NFC is near field communication, where you can take the key and hold it on the back of your phone and it'll read through the back of your phone so you don't have to plug it in. Now the Bluetooth button powered one is also NFC, so you can hold it up against the back of your phone. It also comes with a cable and a USB-A to USB-C adapter. It is FIDO certified. They're pretty tough, to be very honest with you. You want to go and check these websites out as well. It tells you all the ins and outs of having the key and the program that you join. This is a tough box. It's like a cigar box, you know. It's nice and thick-walled. And it also has a magnet on the lip. You can see the magnet right there just underneath my, see it? And, yep, you can hear it grab. All right. Yeah, it sounds nice and sturdy. All right, so the Let's Get Started book is very simple and very helpful, and it has symbols to show you what everything is that's inside of this box. And the USB-A to USB-C adapter is very handy to have. I use it for more than just this key set. This book is in English, Spanish, French, and several other languages. The safety and warranty guide basically says don't bend it too much, don't get water on it, don't drop them. Now, when I first bought the set, I had this on my key ring for several months, and then I work construction, and I work in a lot of I work out in the weather, I work in extreme temperatures, I work in manholes and wet, slimy stuff, and I'm working in ditches around high voltage and stuff, and I felt like this couldn't handle the kind of work that I do. Now, that's just me. That is my opinion. It bends a little bit, but not much. These things are tough. Now, if you work at an office job, this thing is more than tough enough to be hanging off of your keychain. But I didn't want to break this thing either, so I went ahead and cleaned it up as good as I can and put it back inside of the box. Now, this right here, I've heard a lot of complaints about this thing. That the loop will break and then it'll fall into the ground and you'll never be able to find it again. Or that the loop will break and then it'll fall down on the ground and shatter. And these things are like a little bit over $20 a piece. Now, this thing has its own battery in it, and it plugs in via USB micro, and it's also Bluetooth. And when it's ready, the green check light will check. And when you plug this in, it'll tell you when it's ready. It'll tell you when to plug it in, and then you push the button. Now, this is important for, even though this key has NFC in it, and you can hold it to the back of whatever NFC device you have, and it'll read it. You need this for all of the devices. This will work for all of them. If this key doesn't work for it, this key will. And this key, let me give you an example. My Galaxy Tab A has Android 9 in it, but it does not have NFC on it. And it also has a USB micro. So I can't plug this thing into it. So I have to plug this thing into it, and I had to get more than just the adapters that were in here. The adapters they give me are a regular USB to USB micro. All right, now this is supposed to plug in to this side right here, and this plugs into your computer, your laptop, whatnot. And I had to go and get this to plug in so I can go USB micro to USB micro. Now, I use this for other reasons too. I didn't just buy this just for this set. Now, if you get this set, you're gonna want to get some adapters to help you through it. And for example, this is your USB to USB-C. All in all, it's a good set. I prefer to keep them together. I use these as my backup set. And I have, what I have on my key ring, I have the YubiKey, the blue YubiKeys. Them things are tough as nails. And they will be on my construction key ring. My brothers and sisters, take security serious. Remain security aware. Keep up with security. Find out what kind of viruses and malware is going on out there so you can be prepared. And you looking at your emails when you open them up. Just don't take them for granted for what they are. Be security aware, my brothers and sisters. Be safe and Google on.